Grasshopper tutorial, we want to make and model a parametric box, which you can see I can change the size of the box and then twist it around an angle. You can see that I can twist this box, and we're going to define a parametric axis, which you can see I can control here. So this axis will help us to define where we want to twist that box, and finally, after we twist the box, we're going to divide that into a series of strips. Then we can extrude those strips to make this twisting strips in Grasshopper. So basically in this tutorial I'm going to teach you some steps of managing data, especially for making the strips and how we can extract them from the box. And also we're going to talk about twisting around part of the box, not the whole box. We can also twist all the box. You can see we can control that and put it in the center, so it's going to be actually a simple twist, but we're going to control that by different parameters and make the model in Grasshopper. Okay, let's get started by modeling the box in Grasshopper.